yeah. I've been hunting, I've been searching, I can't look no more. With those eyes and that nice smile, girl, I can't. What is good? What is good? Y'all already know what is up. It's another week, so it's another video. And this week, I'm gonna be showing y'all my morning facial routine. I don't know. I don't see a difference. I don't think I see a difference. So last week I took you guys with me to my very first facial. It was an amazing experience. I'm definitely going back next month. I really want to be able to keep up with what my esthetician did for my face. I want to keep it as open and fresh as I possibly can. And I think in some senses or some ways, I've been kind of over analyzing it a little bit, just freaking out over like seeing change. But I'm trying to keep in mind that it's about the journey. It's about the process. So I'm trying to pace myself, show myself some grace with this process, because that's exactly what it is, and let time do what time does, you know? So I do want to go ahead and share this very light, very simple morning facial routine. I am very new to this, so take it easy on me. But I do have like something simple that I like to do, and you know, it's a good start. I feel like since I've gotten some products for my face, I've been looking into more products now that I know like what is good for my skin and what to look for. So I'm happy about that. Like, I've learned a lot about my skin, and that's really cool because I can look for individual things to help my skin, things that I didn't know to look for before. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this facial routine on the way. All right, so starting off with a cleanser, I like to use the Eucerin Hydrating Cleansing Gel. This is a daily gel-based cleanser. It doesn't foam, but it does have hyaluronic acid in it, which is great for flexibility of the skin. So I massage and lather that into my skin, sometimes twice if I feel like I need it. All right, so next up, we got that good old Dickinson's. Y'all know what's good with the Dickinson's. And this is a fragrance-free Pore Perfecting Toner. So toners are meant to refresh your skin without stripping out moisture. And this is a basic go-to type of toner that will catch all the little extra impurities that you missed while cleansing. It removes makeup, balances any oils on your face, and it doesn't have any extra chemicals. They have a lot of different fragrance-based toners as well, but I just prefer the fragrance-free. And last but not least, we have Pond's Crema S. Now, this is a 24-hour moisturizer cream for dry to very dry skin. It is not made to clog pores, and it is supposed to leave your skin feeling really soft, healthy, and smooth. And it does for me, so I like it. And honestly, it's not even that expensive, that little thing. All these products can really be found online or in stores, sometimes for $10 or less. Like when I say this is a simple routine, this is a super, super simple and easy routine. So if you have 10 to 15 minutes to spare in the morning, a routine as simple and easy as this would be great for you. That's all for now, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like my video if you're feeling it, and don't forget to come back next week because yes, there will be another video. But until next time. I've been hunting, I've been searching, I can't look no more. With those eyes and that nice smile, girl, I can't